Glamour Chapter welcomes you to another new video. Welcome back, beautiful people. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. We'll be sharing 8 amazing tips to help you achieve that coveted Indian glass skin using simple home remedies. So, let's dive right in. Tip 1. Proper cleansing. Our first tip is all about proper cleansing. Start by washing your face with a mild cleanser suitable for your skin type. Or try my DIY face wash remedy, link of the video in the description, do check it out. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions to remove dirt, oil, and impurities that can clog your pores. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Tip 2. Exfoliation is key to achieving glass skin. Prepare a DIY exfoliating scrub by combining 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and a teaspoon of honey. Apply this mixture to your face, gently scrubbing in circular motions. Rice flour helps remove dead skin cells, while yogurt and honey moisturize and brighten the skin. Rinse off with water. Tip 3. Skin brightening face pack. For a radiant complexion, try a homemade face pack. Mix 1 tablespoon of gram flour, besan, with a pinch of turmeric and enough rose water to form a paste. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Gram flour brightens the skin, turmeric reduces inflammation, and rose water soothes and hydrates. Rinse off the pack gently with lukewarm water. Tip 4. Hydration. Hydrating your skin is crucial for achieving glass-like skin. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from within. You can also spritz rose water on your face as a refreshing and hydrating mist. Tip 5. Face massage. Give yourself a relaxing face massage using a few drops of almond oil or coconut oil. Massage your face in upward circular motions for about 5 minutes. This helps improve blood circulation, promotes lymphatic drainage, and imparts a natural glow to your skin. Tip 6. Nourishing face pack. Prepare a nourishing face pack by mixing 1 mashed banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply this pack to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes. Banana provides essential nutrients, honey moisturizes, and lemon juice brightens the skin. Rinse off with lukewarm water and enjoy the instant glow. Tip 7. Sun protection. Protecting your skin from the sun is vital. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 before stepping out in the sun. This shields your skin from harmful UV rays and prevents premature aging, dark spots, and pigmentation. Tip 8. Beauty sleep. Get your beauty sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. During sleep, your skin repairs itself and regenerates, resulting in a fresh and youthful appearance. And there you have it, folks, 8 fantastic tips to help you achieve Indian glass skin using simple home remedies suitable for all skin types. Remember, consistency is key, so incorporate these tips into your skincare routine and give it some time to see noticeable results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Stay beautiful and see you soon.